Okay.
Yeah.
Your question is, how do I see AI impacting the future of content creators, writers, and authors going forward? And
Yes.
what should we be doing to protect our intellectual property?
Yes.
Very good questions. Very good question. AI has put our careers on steroids.
Right.
It has expedited everything. Okay. Ooh. Watch this. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read or write. The illiterate of the 21st century will be those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn.
Right.
Alvin Toffler. Writers must immediately unlearn what writing used to be, because writing is different.
Right.
AI is a machine. It generates machine-generated content. As of this interview, that content cannot be copyrighted because it's machine-generated. That's the law in the USA, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In other parts of the world, probably, but I can't speak to that. I'm just going to speak for USA right now. However, I think it's all over. But AI is machine-generated content. Authors, content creators create the prompts, create the original thoughts, create the vision and the inquiries of what we can draw out of AI. So if we're putting in good content, that's our original thoughts, what AI is going to bring us back is an enhanced and or improved version. Let me just say enhanced or expanded version of what we put in.
Right.
That content that you get out of it is still yours.
Right.
That's your original work.
Yeah.
Because the machine would not have been able to do that if you had not asked it to do that. So the origin of the thought belongs to you, the author, the creator. So what do I see us in the future? Content creators, I see the playing field being leveled. I see everything speeding up. And those of us, those who are smart and ready to take advantage of this opportunity, will be far out front of everybody else in the game.
Right. People really need to hear this stuff.
Don't be afraid of AI, number one. Stay connected with coaches like Coach Caroline, who's on the cutting edge and on the front end of this stuff. You want to stay connected with people who are connected with people who are connected. You follow me? And so stay connected with her, because this lady right here, we met in Clubhouse, and she had an agent to research me for months. She had an agent. She knows I'm telling the truth. This is the truth. She had an agent researching me in Clubhouse, and before we ever started working together. The lady's phenomenal.